everybody, and right now we are walking around the town of Kahramanmaraş, Turkey. This is where I got my first handmade leather wallet, while everyone else got handmade leather shoes. One of our favorite sweets here in Turkey are Turkish delight. This grandpa owns this store that has made all these special wooden boxes that have secret ways of opening them, or sometimes just have keys. We are traveling our way from Kahramanmaraş to Gaziantep, Turkey. If you haven't watched our previous videos, these people we're walking with are called the truck. With the truck, we are now walking to the market to see all the special spices and pistachios. Here in the market, we found this blacksmith guy that makes sticks for barbecuing meat. My dad also bought one of these skillets, which we will use back home for barbecuing things and making Turkish pizza, called pide. My mom bought many copper and silver souvenirs for tea and coffee. Also, from this man, I bought a souvenir from Gaziantep, which was a top. After a long, hot walk in the market, we decide to sit down in the shade and have some refreshments. dinner. It is a special Turkish soup with rice, lamb, cooked very, very hot, and is usually served for breakfast. But right now we had it for dinner. It was very, very good. Lunch next day, we decide to go to this kebab restaurant.
Welcome Turkey, Gaziantep.